you are fine. After dental caries, the most prevalent oral diseases are gingivitis and periodontitis. Fortunately, gingivitis is reversible while periodontitis is irreversible condition. The main cause of gingivitis is dental plaque deposition over teeth and gums due to improper flossing, improper toothbrushing, execution of improper brushing techniques, cigarette smoking, less drinking of water, less usage of raw and fresh fruits and vegetables. These all are causes which lead to gingivitis, which is basically inflammation of the gums and ultimately lead to bleeding from the gums, sensitivity, swollen gums, foul smell from the mouth. But if we do a proper brushing technique called as modified Bass technique, vertically with a soft bristles toothbrush like that, the bristles or filaments of the brush must reach the inside the gums and remove the bacteria through and through from inside the gums and over the teeth, eliminate all plaque deposition, which ultimate results in healthy gingiva within 2 weeks of proper brushing. So these conditions are reversible. Gingivitis or gum disease is a reversible condition. Sometimes we have to visit our dentist to remove the hard deposit that are tartar or calculus. With the help of a special ultrasonic cleaning machine, dentist will remove all the deposits on our teeth and polish the teeth surfaces. After that, within days, you will see the improvement in your gum color, texture, reduction in swelling, reduction in bleeding, and reduction in bad breath from your mouth. While periodontitis is irreversible condition, a very horrible condition, difficult to manage, in which teeth are in a loose or mobile state, difficulty in eating, speech, and also lot of pain inside our teeth and gums. For periodontitis, we will do gum surgery, gum grafting, bone augmentation. With the help of laser, we can also to treat periodontitis, but it's very difficult to manage properly the disease of periodontitis. So it's better to early manage the problem of gum disease with help of proper brushing, proper flossing, interdental cleaning with water flosser, and a suitable mouthwash for short term period. You can use like chlorhexidine mouthwash, mix with water and rinse twice a day for 1 month is recommended for gingivitis and periodontitis. In periodontitis, there will be deep pocket formations where bacteria deeply make colonies inside the gum tissue and destroy all the bone around the teeth, which ultimately results in mobility of the teeth. So these conditions are very difficult to manage and maintain in the future. So the simple tips for reversing the gingivitis is brushing twice a day with the help of suitable soft toothbrush, flossing once a day with dental floss, or you can use interdental brushes or water flosser. And also important thing is brushing our tongue or scraping the tongue is also important to decrease the bacterial load in the oral cavity. Plus, a suitable mouthwash can also solve the problem of gingivitis. So, these all things can easily reverse your problem of gingivitis, which is early stage. There is no bone loss, no pocket formation. There is just swollen gums, bleeding gums, sensitivity, and redness in the gums. These all conditions can be reversed with the help of proper oral hygiene maintenance techniques But in periodontitis, if we do a radiograph or X-ray to check the bone level, there will be huge bone loss. The support of the tooth will be lost and ultimately results in mobility or even shedding of the teeth, which results in replacement with acrylic removable denture or fixed bridge or sometimes dental implants. So it's better to save your natural tooth or teeth with help of proper oral hygiene techniques to avoid loss of your tooth or teeth in the future. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.